Most people think life at the beach is a vacation. But when you're the one managing vacation homes, you know how much work life at the coast can be, and how hard a coastal environment can be on HVAC equipment. As you know, near the sea, the air contains corrosive salts, and the temperature and humidity can fluctuate wildly, causing corrosion that can damage or even destroy your air system in a short time. With American Standard's patented spine-fin all-aluminum coil design, the harshest and saltiest outdoor environments can't stop the comfort. Verified in the most brutal conditions to ensure maximum longevity, we put every American Standard air conditioning system through the toughest tests to help us make the most durable products for coastal environments. American Standard's reliable technology and outstanding design give you leak-resistant, corrosion-resistant, proven and tested performance year after year. For coastal homes that really work year-round in the toughest and most corrosive of environments, coastal confidence and less maintenance, salt-smart strength and durability, more savings, and an easier-to-maintain, more comfortable home. With American Standard's coastal optimized systems, durability and longevity increase, maintenance calls and costs decrease, and homeowners and guests stay happy for years to come. Consult your independent American Standard dealer on how to reduce maintenance costs and boost comfort for your coastal properties.